Hi, this is Marshall Jones at Winthrop University, and I want to show you how to use a scenario in RISE 360. So here's the scenario that I've created. It's on learning styles. This is my title, this is my description. This is my character, this is my background. What's going to happen is if I click continue, our character is going to ask a question. Notice that his facial expression has changed from the opening facial expression. We have two options. One will allow us to continue in the scenario or the correct answer, and one would be the wrong answer, the one that loops us back to try again. I'm going to click the wrong answer, which is yes, of course, everyone does. And we notice that our character gets very unhappy with us. And we get the option to try again. And if we choose the correct answer, he's much happier, and we get feedback that says learning styles are not hardwired to an individual, and the research is clear on that. Well done. They are a useful metaphor to remind us to mix up our instruction, though. Now, a scenario is made up of different scenes. That was scene one. We could continue and add multiple scenes, but we're just going to call it quits and end the scenario. Now, let's take a look at how you create those. I'm going to add an interactive block called scenario. And you can see we have a different character and a different background, and that should let you know that we can edit those things. So we can edit our character. And there are multiple characters within RISE 360 that you can choose from. So we'll just go with Amira for right now. We can change the background. We can change the background, I promise. And so I'm going to choose the school desk background for Amira. So this is, if we click on these items on the left-hand side, the scenario title is where we name the scenario, and we can provide a sub-explanation here. Now notice that we can use the neutral character. We can change it to talking. So this is what the character is going to look like during that phase of the scene. Now, if we come here and we ask our question, we have a right answer. So I'm just going to label this correct answer. And I'm going to have our character be happy. But notice I could make them neutral, surprised, angry, or alarmed. So I'm going to have this be the wrong answer. And I'm going to have them not only be disappointed, I'm going to have them be stressed. So if I close this, then I can run the scenario with Amira. So there she is talking. Here she's neutral, asking the question. If we ask the wrong answer, she's very distressed. So let's try again and answer correctly, and she's much happier. You can add multiple scenes to your scenario. It's a good way to ask questions, to guide learners through some questioning strategies, to give them some feedback as they move through, but also to help anthropomorphize it to make it look a little more human. I'm Marshall Jones at Winthrop University. Thanks for watching.